Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Git Help. So let's get started. If you are having trouble remembering the commands or option for the command, you can use Git Help. Okay. So there are couple of different ways that you can use help command. So git command hyphen help. So see all the available option for a specified command. If you like git commit hyphen help, then it will tell. Or if you want to see all the commands like git help hyphen all. Okay, two ways you can go. So like I told now, git commit hyphen help. So all the it is showing all, and it will showing the meaning also, like show different in commit message template. You suppress summary after success commit. It means read message from file, override. So like this you can see message, commit message, re-edit message, reuse message. So everything related to commit you can see here. If you write help all, then everything you can see like git help hyphen add am archive. These are totally all which are using git. Okay, so you can go through it. If you have any question, then you can comment. Okay, now show the status option for the command. So the status, so you have status hyphen help. Okay, according to me I think so. So let's check. Correct. So like this you can use help. Okay, so if you have any question, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.